Hi, and welcome to the last day of our training. I am so excited about this because it's been for the past few weeks, few days. So the last part of this is the security of Microsoft Excel, and I'll be telling you how to manage your errors and also how you need to protect your worksheet and your workbook. So now let's now look at how to do all of that. Now, managing error in Microsoft Excel is very important. See, experiencing error output, it's not a bad thing, but the bad thing is not knowing how to manage the error. We have various forms of error. We have the value error. We have the any error. For example, let's say you enter 0, maybe you want to divide a particular value with 0, and all of those things. So now the best function to use to manage your error, aside using the if function, is the use of what we call if error. So the if error function is used to manage errors without using any form of complicated if statements. So in absence of using an if statement to manage your error, you can also use what we call the if error, and I'll be showing you the practical part on how to use that. So now I have various forms of error. Like I said, we have the errors like n/a. Now every error always starts with an hash. Every error. So we have the value error, the number error, the reference error, and many of them. So now let's look at some other things there on how to use the if error. Now if you state a particular solution here, that if a1 divides b1, you should give you an answer. So if the information that you are passing here is wrong, you should display what? Enter a value, or you enter a wrong value. So this that you have here is exactly how to manage an error. So now you can also manage your error using what? Your lookup, either a VLOOKUP or your HLOOKUP, either of the three that we have worked with before now. So now let's talk about protecting and unprotecting your worksheet. Now it is very important to protect your worksheet to prevent unwanted changes from unauthorized persons by limiting the ability to edit and format the cells. It's very important. So as a good spreadsheet user, you need to take note of how to work with your how to protect your worksheet. Very important. Just the same way you protect your worksheet, there is a need for you to also do what? To unprotect it when you want to do what? Add your own records there. Very important. So that's the point whereby you need to type or re-enter your passwords again. Now, to protect your workbook, that is the entire working environment, that is the whole Microsoft spreadsheet itself. Now very important, you need to do that so that by the time you are transferring the records, people will be able, before they gain access, they have to enter the passwords. So let's look at how this practical works. Thank you.